Procrastination is not laziness. It is a silent agreement that you make with fear. For 20 years, I've watched people call themselves unmotivated, distracted, tired, when the truth is much simpler. They are afraid of failing, afraid of succeeding, afraid that they actually gave their best effort and that would expose who they really are. Here's what I know about procrastination. Procrastination is a liar. It tells you you'll feel more ready tomorrow. It whispers you need more time, more money, more clarity. But tomorrow turns into next week, next month, next year, and eventually into regret. And regret is heavier than discipline will ever be. You do not beat procrastination by motivation. You beat it by movement. Small movement, imperfect movement, unapologetic movement. Write the page. Make the call. Start the workout. Submit that application. Action creates clarity. Action builds confidence. Action rewires your identity. Stop negotiating with your potential. If it matters to you, move on it today. Because the cost of waiting is your life passing you by. One excuse at a time. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Please follow us at www.mrzinspires.com. Again, www.mrzinspires.com. And you can check out our videos on YouTube at Mr. Z Inspires. I am again Mr. Z and also the creator of the Rebuild Process. Take care and have a great rest of your day.